I made me turn my shit on.
You get hot on that bitch in the creek, hit the spot, it's 100 of the with violence. My teeth down, my bullet shit with us. The same with the bitch, if you reach out the
She had everybody screaming. What the fuck is that?
Who like this one?
Bro.
It's yours.
What's that for, Brody?
I appreciate you.
My man. Hey, I don't pass up no free money.
Man, y'all be smooth.
I won. I won, nigga. That nigga gave me 60 of them things. Yeah, I won, nigga. I won, nigga.
What do you want to him?
I don't know.
Go ahead.
I take it though.
Get up there.
Probably get sent to the devil.
What y'all doing now, bro?
$60.
I ain't finna sit down here with y'all ass all night.
Oh man, I'm trying to ride though.
Me too. I want to go like the bugger at the time, man.
I need some gas money.
Yeah, that's where you need to go.
Oh, Buckhead, boy, go to Buckhead.
Yeah, that's where you need to go. Yeah, that's where we go. We're going out there.
I got me a free $60 just for starting my bike up. Turn up then. What up, mama?
What's up, love?
All right.
See you up there roaming and I got.
That nigga gave me $60. He was like, who bike was this? I'm like, mine, bro. He was like, bro. I'm like, what the fuck is this for? Like, I appreciate you. I'll take it.
What?
My
Hit
bad,
Gino's
brother.
real quick. Going over there by Gino's again?
We about to roll out the Buckhead right now, I guess. I don't know what the fuck they got going on. I'm just riding. I want to ride.
Again? You gonna stay out till 5 again?
Maybe not. Who knows? It's Friday. It might be 7.
Oh, shit.
You know, that was Friday. You know, Thursday was 5.
Sleep.
I got what's called freedom.
Let me get some of that, Frank.
That's the nigga that's giving out money. Look, this nigga giving out money. He's just giving out money.
Everybody that's got a bike! Yeah! That ass gonna do it too. Put the keys on!
Hey, who this nigga don't ride though?
Push up.
Man out here giving out money for starting up your bike.
Yeah, bro.
I can't be mad at
It was that king, this that big cow.
Look, he giving out just for starting them up.
you. Where you at? Turn that motherfucker on, man.
Right here, bro.
Fuck what they talking about.
Right here, bro.
You right here? Hold on.
Right
You
here.
saying what?
Hey,
That be
right
turned on. 60, 80, 100.
Hold on, I ain't get 100.
Where you at? Where your ice at?
Hey, come here.
Hey, your ice at?
Hey, let me check this shit. Is this shit red?
Hey, bring his ass here.
He want to get that
money away. I'll take
You got more than me, nigga. Fuck.
He said 100, nigga.
I got 60. Fuck.
Turn on the bike? Yeah, I'll get $100.
That nigga give you $100 to turn on your
Turn
bike?
on my bike.
Hey, you better go tell that nigga.
To turn on niggas' bike, so hey, I ain't mad.
Man out here giving out money just for turning on your bike.
But turn on the bike. We getting this content, nigga.
Oh, I'm getting it, nigga. I'm getting it, nigga.
That is real, nigga. That is
Like I had to check it.
real.
Where your bike at? Fuck that bullshit. Where your bike? Turn that bitch on. These doors right here. I'm scared of you. I ain't gonna hold you. Ride that bitch up and down the street. I got you two right now. If you go up and down the street. I got you
Hey, you
two.
better get your ass
If you
on
go
that
up
bike.
and down the street right now.
There you go.
Right now.
You better get your ass on that bike.
Come on.
Better get that too.
And this is my last one right now.
I know.
I just want to show some real niggas some love. They don't know about the 200 boys.
That's right.
I promise you they don't. They don't know about them 200 boys.
I don't think he capping, bro.
Watch out.
They can hand it out like candy.
What time?
I'm mad y'all got 100 though. I only got 60. Fuck.
I'm trying to tell
Turn
you,
that thing on. She said she about to ride for that 200. Fuck you, mean? Man out here giving out cold hard cash just for turning on your bike. You about to get shorty 200 just to ride up and down the street one time. She ain't playing with him. Shit, he ain't playing with him. I told Shorty he gonna give her 200 if she just ride up and down the street one time.
Give it 200, bro. Yeah, you give him 200 just to
My man out here killing niggas, bro. Man, who the fuck this nigga done ride up? Hey, look, Robin Hood out this bitch.
take all blessings.
And I ain't going nowhere. And I ain't going nowhere.
Everybody keys. I had to make sure I had my keys. You know, last time I had a key from. Oh, but I got what's the name though? You know, the dude came back and made me 2 more keys. Remo ain't got the fucking keys I need. I waited on Remo damn near a month for a fucking key. Oh, now you got them.
I got him. I ordered it.
Yeah, the slow one.
I'm all blue. You not see me?
Then what that mean?
You got them now, Remo?
Red and blue match. You don't know that? Uh-huh. See?
Remo doesn't have my fucking key fanatic.
Red and blue match.
I get like a key for like a little hot glisten.
I'm mad I only got 60 though, nigga.
Come here, nigga. Where you at? Who that motherfucking butt?
Hey, Shorty, she taking too long. I would have been
She
back.
went that way. She flew by.
She right here. Okay, I've been back already. Where my money at, nigga? Before he disappeared.
Look at Shorty in the whole picture. Shorty got.
No, the one in the green.
Me.
He just hit me.
I ain't hit.
Oh, shit. What the
What? Like, why you hitting my hair?
I did like this, trying to
But
get
why?
Oh.
No, you could came to me and asked me my name. Like, why you hitting me?
I apologize, okay?
Like, don't do no woman like that. I'm 29. Don't
I
do
just said
that.
I
I'm not
apologize.
even from
I
here.
just said I apologize, man.
She said, I'm back for my money. Fuck what y'all got going on.
We ain't. Who doing the wheelie? I got 400 right now for whoever doing wheelie.
Right now.
Whoever doing wheelie right now. Come back.
And my man down there said, all right, he on his way.
Willie shit too. I got the Willie shit too. I got the Willie shit too.
I should have Willie. I just want Willie. I don't know how.
Oh, I do.
Yeah, I just don't know how. If I did, nigga, I would have jumped on that ASAP. My shit been on the road right now.
My man got you for the 300.
All right, mama.
Yo, my man.
Hey, yo, I'm gonna do a Willie right to the highway. Me, right to the highway.
Right to the highway?
I'm gonna Willie all the way to the highway.
Show me.
400. I give
Show
you.
me.
You gotta pay me first.
Yo, my man got you right there. My man right there got you, yo. Check for the 300. Yo, look. Right there, look. My man right there gonna Willie for your 300.
Come on. Get these folks a corner real quick. Fuck that bullshit. Oh God. They like that was serious.
Well, you know, right now. That's why I kill that, baby. I apologize.
Right now. Whole lot of country shit. They don't know what the fuck.
He said, I got this.
This nigga threw. If this nigga doing Willie, I got a 300 right now. Bet to that.
Oh, he went down the ball. It was 4 at first, now it's 3.
Bet to that.
Hey, man, you're not trying to put a circus on me. You're not trying to put a circus out on a night.
Hey, hold on.
They about to ride this nigga.
I paid 300 for it. Right now. Show me.
So these niggas trying to get the money off of it. Nigga, you go do a Willie.
If he worried about what a nigga doing,
He said, I got work to do, man. Get the fuck out the way.
stand it. He can't get a nigga haircut.
My man about to go hit a Willie for this 300. The hell, bitch, you out here ass naked. Ass naked. The hell we got going on, YouTube? Detroit? That's what's up.
Who you on the phone with?
Nobody.
You on stream?
I've been on 4-wheelers and dirt bikes all day.
The fuck is that, y'all? The fuck is that? Well, alrighty then. Cheekage. We outside with it tonight, y'all. Fuck. I heard that. I heard that. I heard that.
Oh, you don't want to do that. I'm going knees. I'm going knees is gone. Your ass gonna be like, you're gonna be like, my back, my neck, and my back.
I got kicked out of second grade for beating niggas, man. I did my whole life.
Second grade.
Real shit.
I'm sorry.
That ain't no Willie, nigga. That ain't no Willie. That nigga say, hey, he already got the money. They gave him the money first. I just take the fuck off. 3, I think.
Oh yeah, he went home.
That would have been smart.
No.
That would have been smart.
I know, he turning around. He gonna hit that Willie. He a man of his word. He gonna hit that Willie. He gonna try to anyway. He right here.
Here you go. Here you go. Go ahead, do it.
Nigga, that ain't no damn Willie.
What the fuck you doing all that fast shit?
Motherfucking Will came a half a centimeter off the ground.
That's too fast. He doing it wrong.
Yeah, he don't know what he doing. He don't know how to
Nah,
Willie.
you can Willie that fast if you know what you're doing.
You can, but he can't.
Come on, man.
Especially not on no damn railroad tracks.
Nigga, I'm not doing it. I mean,
He grabbed that rail, it's over.
it's over. It's coming on from underneath.
Yeah, he's sliding.
He can't get that nigga 50. He got that nigga 300 beans.
They got him 300.
Hell yeah.
He said 4 at first,
And
then
he
nigga
gave
said
him
3.
$100 for turning his bike on. So he got 400. He didn't get the 3 yet. Yes, he
Hey,
did.
if I knew how to do one, I would.
Yes, he did.
Shit, I would have popped that bitch real quick if I knew how to do one. Especially on that motherfucker.
That shit go up like magic.
Yeah, it do. They got a Willie mode.
Man, I'm telling you that shit.
It's a Willie mode on that motherfucker.
That shit is ridiculous. You gotta read the manual on that motherfucker. Like,
No, it ain't about that. I just don't know how to do with
No, I'm just saying it's good.
Like, and I'm not gonna try. I'm not gonna learn on that bike.
No, hell.
Oh, got you. So this is a bitch everybody's scared of right here, y'all, with the sports bra on.
I know. What about it?
I guess she hit a 1%er. They got a hit out on her ass.
You still riding?
You gotta pop that with.
Damn, it take you that long, nigga?
They say she be getting drunk and acting crazy as shit.
Nigga, you should have popped that bit right there and popped one back and went around in the circle. That's what that's it. Tall ass
What I
motherfucker.
know.
Like, how tall is you? 6'7"? Cause my dad, huh?
All up in your grill. 11.
11 on your ass. What? Big,
Wait a fucking minute, yo.
Yo, you the nigga I be feeding the ball to in the motherfucking middle.
Oh, man.
Know what I mean?
Damn, nigga, up to your fucking chest. You know what? Get your ass back.
That ain't no Willie, nigga.
What is she talking about? Get the fuck back in the mega box. I'm finna get that ass. You could have popped it right here, right?
I'm just want to ride, man. We can get it.
That's what we talking about.
Shit, cause yeah, the bars they gonna be up until like 4, right?
Not Buckhead. Like 2.
2, 3. Something.
But there's other
150 is
spots
done.
that's
Oh,
open
yeah.
around that time.
What's over?
Over with.
Oh, but they said that, you know?
Nah, they wanted to go to Buckhead.
Shit, let's ride out the docks.